What were recent headline news for JOUT? Today, Friday, May 26, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was a combination of the exchange and the ticker symbol, NASDAQ. JOUT. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 8 unique dates. Publication dates spanned 2,113 days. The latest publication was Thursday, May 25, 2023, when there were 3 found headlines. Seeking Alpha published the headline that read, Johnson Outdoors declares 31 cents dividend. Defense World published the headline that read, First Trust Advisors LP sells 12,674 shares of Johnson Outdoors. Benzinga published the headline that read, Johnson Outdoors announces cash dividend. The oldest publication was on Friday, August 11, 2017, when 5 years 9 months and 15 days ago, Yahoo Voices published the headline that read, Johnson Outdoors, MicroStrategy, Snap, Nvidia and Nordstrom highlighted as Zacks Bull and Bear of the Day. The latest publication date was the day with the most found headlines. I have not yet received pricing data for that day, so cannot calculate the day's percentage change in price. The latest publication date of Thursday, May 25, 2023, was actually the day with the highest percentage change in price. It saw a price jump of 5.31%. Wednesday, November 2, 2022 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a drop of -1.53% when in JOUT opened trading at 52.86 and closed at $52.05. There was one found headline when Outside published the headline that read, Outdoor Stock Market Update. October surprised us with an upswing.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for JOUT? Across 0 trading days, there were a total of 1 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended up while monthly volume average trended up. The maximum end of month average price was $0 for false while the minimum was $0 for false. Looking at volume, false and false respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 0,000 and 0,000.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for JOUT? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 1-month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From false to month, there was an equal split of monthly percentage change in price across 1-month ends. In terms of volume, the number of month ends were the same for positive versus negative percentage change in average end-of-month volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 0.00% in average percentage change along with a minimum of 0.00%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 0.00% and 0.00%.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docuseries about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has JOUT price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across 2 specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, A death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term cross is below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis of third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, the 30 to 50, the 50 to 200.
Hello. My name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here's what I found. Johnson Outdoors Inc. designs, manufactures, and markets seasonal and outdoor recreational products for fishing worldwide. It operates through 4 segments: fishing, camping, watercraft recreation, and diving. The fishing segment offers electric motors for trolling, marine battery chargers, and shallow water anchors, sonar and GPS equipment for fish finding, navigation, and marine cartography, and downriggers for controlled depth fishing. This segment sells its products under the Minn Kota, Humminbird, and Canon brands through outdoor specialty and internet retailers, retail store chains, original equipment manufacturers, and distributors. The camping segment provides consumer, commercial, and military tents and accessories, camping furniture and stoves, other recreational camping products, and portable outdoor cooking systems, as well as manufactures fabric floors and insulated thermal liners and a subcontract manufacturer of military tents. This segment sells its products under the Eureka and Jetboil brands through independent sales representatives and internet retailers. The watercraft recreation segment offers kayaks, canoes, and paddles for family recreation, touring, angling, and tripping through independent specialty and outdoor retailers under the Ocean Kayaks, Old Town, and Carlisle brands. The diving segment manufactures and markets underwater diving and snorkeling equipment, such as regulators, buoyancy compensators, dive computers and gauges, wetsuits, masks, fins, snorkels, and accessories through independent specialty dive stores and diving magazines under the Scuba Pro brand name. This segment also provides regular maintenance, product repair, diving education, and travel program services, and sells diving gear to dive training centers, resorts, public safety units, and armed forces. It sells its products through websites. The company was founded in 1970 and is headquartered in Racine, Wisconsin.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the Legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15 and April 15, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 3 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating this, Murray kept on playing the song Eye of the Tiger in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime, as is, data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes, So, we don't fully understand why he created this, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are. Because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways. For example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
We wanted to be more entertaining, so here are some arts that were generated by artificial intelligence. In this initial installation, we asked a deep learning model, that had been trained with over 5 billion images, to paint an image of the literal term, stock market, by using the style of specific well-known artists. Here is stock market, generated in the style of Utagawa Hiroshige. Utagawa Hiroshige, born in 1797 and died 1858, was a Japanese ukiyo-e artist who is widely regarded as one of the greatest masters of the form. Born in Edo, now Tokyo, he was the son of a fire warden and began his career as an apprentice to the ukiyo-e master Utagawa Toyohiro. One interesting fact about Hiroshige is that he was a devout Buddhist and drew inspiration from the natural world and the changing seasons. Many of his works feature landscapes, birds, flowers, and other elements of nature, and he often incorporated traditional Japanese symbols and motifs into his art. Another lesser-known aspect of Hiroshige's life is his interest in Western art and culture. He was particularly fascinated by the art of the Dutch masters, and his work shows the influence of their use of perspective and color. He even created a series of prints called 8 Views of Edo in Western Style, which combined traditional Japanese landscapes with Western-style perspective and composition. Despite the challenges he faced in his personal and professional life, Hiroshige left an enduring legacy in the world of ukiyo-e and Japanese art. His work continues to be celebrated and studied today, and his influence can be seen in the work of subsequent generations of artists. Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer. This video and its content, is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotics stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities, affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video, are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.